In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the temperature switch in your dryer. So the first thing we want to do is remove the back from the console. I'm just going to turn the dryer around so you can see that. And in this machine, it's just 1/4-inch screws that hold it on. On yours, it may be a different type of screw head. But whichever type it is, you just need to remove those screws and then slip the back out of the way. And now we can see our components and the wires that go to them. So just to make it easier for us to be able to see the components as we service them, I'm just going to free the console with a putty knife that allows me to tip it forward so we can get a better view. So in order to remove our temperature switch on our dryer, the first thing we'll want to do is remove the knob, which just pulls directly off the shaft. And then we'll want to remove the wires. And they just pull off each terminal one at a time. Now you may want to just take a picture with your smartphone of the connection so you know which wires went where, or just with a piece of paper and a pen, just make a note. So now with the wires removed, we're ready to remove the switch itself. So you'll see that your switch has a little plastic tab where it locks into the console. So we're going to just take a small screwdriver and slip it in behind this tab to pop it out of place. And then we're able to rotate the switch and remove it from the console. And it's just that easy to remove the temperature switch from your dryer.